This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Trudy and Province. This light and airy Banyan model has an open floor plan with tile throughout except for bedrooms. The den has a lovely bay window so it is very bright. Luxurious 42 inches French-style cherry cabinets in the kitchen with granite countertops, tile backsplash, pantry and granite island with bar stools, stainless steel appliances. The master bath has his and her separate vanity areas, granite top with cherry cabinets, large shower and large walk-in closet. The side screened in Lanai overlooks a pond and golf course, giving you a relaxing view to have your morning coffee and happy hour and watch the wildlife. The large inside laundry is full of 42 inches cherry cabinets for storage. The garage is oversized and immaculate. Has KPW gold plan that can be prorated and transferred at close. Kings Point offers amazing recreational facilities, 6 pools and over 200 clubs and organizations at your fingertips to enjoy. Located in a 55-plus golf cart community, easy golf carting to shopping, medical facilities, etc. For more information, review the details below or contact Trudy and Province at 813-642-1174.